The Logic is a Class II biosafety cabinet designed for a variety of applications requiring personnel, product, and environmental protection from biohazards and other hazardous particulates. In this video, we'll show you how to unpack and assemble it. You'll need a minimum of 2 people, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, 2 adjustable wrenches, a level, and a hydraulic table. Begin by removing the exterior cardboard box from the BSC pallet. If the biosafety cabinet includes a base stand, place aside in a safe place until later. Once unboxed, inspect the BSC for any shipping damage. If any damage has occurred, contact the freight carrier that delivered the BSC to file a claim. If any parts are missing, contact Labconco for assistance. Next, open the BSC's side panels to remove 2 screws from each panel with a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Once opened, use an adjustable wrench to remove the bolts attaching the BSC to the pallet during transit. Next, remove both sash pins. Locate each pin by following the yellow string from the front of the biosafety cabinet back to the side panels. Be sure to support the sash weights using a screwdriver. Firmly pull both pins out to remove.
If the yellow string and internal sash pins are not present, locate the 2 pins at the back of the cabinet as shown, one on the right side and one on the left side. Pull each pinhead away from the cabinet. Then grasp each pin and slowly remove it. A drop of each sash weight will be heard. This is normal.
Check the sash for smooth movement by raising and lowering it a few times. Discard any packaging and protective pieces attached to the cabinet at this time. Next, lift the work surface and remove the BSC parts box. Check the box to ensure all contents are present. This box should include a flash drive with the user's manual, a drain valve assembly with fasteners, and power cord. Now you can start assembling the base stand. Unpack the base stand components that were set aside earlier. The base stand ships from Labconco at a working height of 30 inches, but it is adjustable up to 37-inch working height in 1-inch increments. To adjust the base stand height, loosen and remove the leg bolts. Adjust the legs to the desired working height. Be sure to place the washer on the threaded side of the bolt and tighten the bolts. Use caution not to over-tighten the bolts. Over-tightening can cause warping of the base stand legs, which prevents future leg adjustments. Ensure that all legs are at the same height before continuing. Next, loosely attach the back panel and the bottom shelf to one leg assembly using 3 bolts. Continue by attaching the other leg assembly with an additional 3 bolts. Then loosely secure the shelf with 4 bolts. Carefully flip the stand upside down. Next, attach the top support and top support plates to the underside of the side assemblies using the 4 included self-tapping screws. Ensure that the screws are straight as you tighten the top support to the base stand. Complete the stand by tightening all bolts before turning it upright. Move the base stand to the desired area and ensure the stand is level before continuing. You are now ready to lift the BSC onto your newly assembled base stand. The next step should be completed by a minimum of 2 people. Slide the BSC onto a hydraulic table or other lifting device. Raise the table to the height of the base stand. Using extreme caution, carefully slide the BSC onto the base stand. Next, line up the mounting holes of the base stand with the mounting holes used to secure the BSC during shipping. Secure the BSC to the base stand using the 4 bolts initially used to secure the BSC to the shipping pallet. Tighten the center anti-vibration brace on the stand so that it contacts the base of the cabinet. Next, connect power to the cabinet and turn the cabinet on to test functionality. The cabinet's operating system will take about 20 to 30 seconds to start. After it comes online, check functionality of the sash, lights, and blower. Congratulations, you've just completed the installation of the Logic BSC from Labconco. Before initiating work, have your BSC certified by an accredited certifier. Users of the BSC should also familiarize themselves with the manual located on the USB flash drive included in the parts box. The info tag on the serial tag will lead you to a website where you can register your product, connect with application support, or obtain product-specific information like your factory test report, IQ/OQ documents, and the latest copy of the user's manual.